Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Larry. Yes, let's see what we do today. Market is looking a little bit weak right now. SPY is trying to recuperate from yesterday, but still not looking that strong. So when we look at SPY, like it has been spending a long time under the moving average. So right now it's popping up above the 200 moving average, which is that green line there. It's trying to go above that. But yeah, it's gonna have the strength to do that. We will see. So Mary, how are you doing today?
Oh, I feel like I've been dropped off a plane, but doing good. And you?
Nice. I guess like that's a Friday feeling. After all the things we do, after all those things, yeah.
It's Friday, it's Friday.
I
And
hope
how
it-
are you doing?
I hope that plane lands softly. So
Thank you.
so yeah. Or that parachute, or you have a parachute, something like that. Yeah, I'm doing good here in general. Trying to find what I want to do with any stocks. Like yesterday was a red day. None of the trades I took at the end work. Like, well, they worked, but the last couple of trades I did kind of poorly. So in that matter, it's like, hey, I'm just trying to survive here. So yeah, and that's it for me. What about you? What are you trading? What do you have?
Well,
What
right
is your
now-
plan? How is your life looking like? Do you have any existential crisis or like?
Oh, yeah. so,
I'm joking.
right now I'm looking at INTC. Where the $30, there's even people front running it, but $30 looks good for INTC for a long with a possible add at $29.75.
Okay.
So we'll see what that looks like. We've got the PCL that's quite high. We still have that good news. So I'm thinking of taking a small share for that one.
I have a short idea for for SPY.
Okay.
INTC too, but like INTC, I decided to avoid it because it was the one that was popping up. So right now I have an order to go short. So you're looking long for those names?
For INTC, because it's already under the PCL and the VWAP is above it, I'm thinking of 13 at 30.
Mm-hmm.
And right now they're still front running it. We'll see. Possibly 20. Yeah. 29.75. We'll see.
Okay. I got my bigger yeah, like the same reason that you are going long for is that, like, it's why I don't want to take the short on that one because it's strong. It's looking strong. But Nvidia should be under a little trouble here, but like it's waking up those things, so I hope it doesn't go too bad. I'm not a fan of taking pre-market trades, so ooh la la, that was that video. So 2 minutes and Nvidia is already accelerating a lot toward the upside, so that's a trade that
Same
for
for
sure.
INTC. Darn.
I for sure don't want to go against that, but I think that seems to be manipulated there. So let's see. So if we getting out, they're gonna be okay. We have 1 more minute for this thing to move. I'm not expecting it to go high, to be honest. Like probably that pre-market high was the pre-market high. It's gonna be probably the high of the day. But I could be wrong. So we have 1 minute and 10 seconds for the open. So let's
Speaking of that, I am going to be looking at open.
see. Hey. Is it holding any of the prices that we were seeing like the other day?
Oh, I've got 990, and what is that? Oof, 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 oof. We'll see.
I have hands on the wheel for this one because I don't want to get smokish. So 30 seconds, 35 actually to open. So
Okay, so I've got an order in INTC and I've got order in open. We'll see. We've got our R that's trading really, really high.
10 seconds for the open, so I brought that. Let's see if this is gonna get slammed at the open or not. Heavy offer by higher and higher. There we go. I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. I have the best price I could get if I am right. If I am wrong, this is this is not going to work if I am wrong. Because yeah, no brainer there. So shouldn't have power to go higher. So but let's take it easy. Look, there is a lot of buying, but like a lot of buying, but also a lot of selling. I know the seller was at 20. There we go. We clear up the sellers at 176.20 on Nvidia. But then we find the sellers at the PCL, and that gets slammed one more time, like toward the downside. Actually, the 176.20 is very close to the PCL, which is 176.24. So, did you get your INTC loan? Yes, you got your INTC loan. Pretty
I
cool.
did.
Pretty cool stuff here. So let's see.
We'll see.
Let's see if we're gonna go to the downside. I don't see much sizes toward the downside, but 175 seems to be something on Nvidia. There is no rush. There is no rush for this name. I have a level. I am trading the level, and yeah, we just have to wait for it to manifest, if ever it's gonna be manifesting, because it's a lot of contradiction on that tape. Though right now that tape got a little bit lean, like toward the upside. So I think sellers just took control right now of Nvidia. Let's see if that's gonna be true or not. We have 2 5-minute waking candle toward the upside, like basically 2 inverted hammer. One have 3.2 minutes for dying, so and the other is a very huge hammer toward the downside. So yeah, so let's see. The fight is on, that's for sure. So Tesla is popping up like very very crazy right now. Like it's around like it's a 424.
Spies at the VWAP.
It went to 425 actually. Yeah, SPY is the name that I have to look at because I think SPY was going to go down. So let's put SPY here. Ooh la la. Okay, what a way to be right, you know. Like, oh man, I didn't expect that candle to be so big on the 1 minute, but hey, that's the open. So let's wait a little bit here. I think SPY, if it goes down, it's not gonna be pretty because we say we have a triple witching day, but that doesn't come into effect until 3:30. So if SPY is gonna be bleeding, of course, like they will buy at the end of the day, but we don't know.
I took a partial.
Nice.
Oh.
Here comes the money.
Here comes the money.
Yala yala. Probably this is gonna be my only trade today.
Which one?
Nvidia. Like, but let's see if it does manifest. Like, you will have to do a lot for it to be my only trade. The only thing is that I will commit a little bit more. Like, yeah. Let's go double of the size. Thanks to plus there. It's the only shot that I am gonna be shooting like that, because if that doesn't work, I don't wanna be there. And then I just think I have something good going on with that NVDA.
Okay.
So if I have if I am right, I wanna capitalize from it, and I think the risk worth it. So SPY keep tanking, Tesla keep popping up, Nvidia right now is popping up as well.
We might be finding right there. Oof. The RSI for SPY. seems to be bottoming. We'll see. We've got INTC. Of course, it's going to find a little bit of resistance. And the VWAP consolidating a little bit there.
So that's our 5-minute candle. So right now we are trading right in between for Nvidia, right in between the opening range. So I say that the tape at the offer clears up. That was true, but now they are coming back slowly at around 176.50. So yeah, that tape on Nvidia probably right now is looking bullish. But I won't believe on it until they make it probably a higher high or go above the PCL. So let's take a read at that bit. Like, so it's printing 16. We have, as I say, a heavy offer, but now the bid is getting balanced a bit. So 20, 15, 17, there is no relevant sizes right now. Okay, so man, those glasses are on my way.
Oh,
16, 31. Okay, it's going higher and higher. So yeah, that bit is not holding that good. There is a buyer, that's for sure. Look, it's printing 47, 47, 45, 41. Out of the blue, it goes like 35. And it's not a print below the bit, it's the actual bit that is looking weak. There we go, we print the 176.50, which was the big guy there. So let's see if he's gonna be able to hold. I will be expecting that guy to push it. Yeah, back to 37, back to 36, right back above 40 right away. So the dip is getting bought out on Nvidia, but doesn't mean much. I don't like to see the bit dipping that way, because that's saying at the moment that they say the buyer is gone, it's gonna go tank. So like there is a specific buyer buying this thing. So yeah, printing 51.51, 176.51, 59, 60. It's gonna get to 80. If it get to 80, it will get me out. So and that was a trade I decided to go bigger for whatever reason. But I believe on it when I decide to add. So right now I just have to keep reading the print and validate, like seeing if my trade is still valid, like or not. So right now printing 43, 41. As you see, like it's normal that fluctuation between the 50 and the 40, but maybe we don't want to see 35 anymore. So let's see if we see 35. That's gonna be on my favor if we print 35. But like, yeah, 48, 47, 51, 51. So let's see how fast it will dip. Yeah, 39. And 39 was the fastest I can catch. I don't know if there was smaller numbers than that. So 45, printing 48. Monster candle on Nvidia toward the upside. So and then back below the 50. So yeah, back to the 35. That's what I'm talking about. It's
oof, I
yeah.
got open.
What was that? You are on open? You got open.
I got open.
Ay. Holy crap. So yeah, Nvidia. Well, what are you, long, short?
Long in both.
INTC as well.
Hoping that the 30 has become a support level.
That was a trade I left open yesterday and it didn't work as
Oh, it didn't?
No, yeah, it didn't. It just Like, yeah, it was little by little, but it just went selling down, and like at the end, just like I didn't compromise much. I compromised just the 1 hour on that one, so getting a headache.
Welcome. Bienvenido to mi mundo.
Yeah,
Huh?
a mi mundo.
A mi mundo.
Do you remember that there was a seller at 76.20? So he doesn't seem to be there anymore. So that might be good for the long, if ever. $21.17, so 30. There we go. Printing 24. Are we gonna
Okay.
get 15 prints again? So probably no. Let's see. But it shouldn't go above 35 if I am correct. 36 by the penny. 37, 40, okay. Spy might be choppy for a bit. Do we have any number coming out?
I haven't heard, sorry.
So Nvidia's gonna get me out. That's gonna be a 2 hour loss because I compromised more in there, but so where is the next trade?
Palantir?
Mm-hmm. What happened to Palantir?
I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah, popping up quite well. Oh la la. You don't want to go against that one.
Wow. All-time high for SoFi.
Oh yeah.
How many are breaking out? Holy cannoli.
Yeah. And SPY is doing what?
Freak.
So that's the 15-minute from the open.
Everything is breaking.
So 80, 80 or 87. Might be rolling the by 10 cents about.
What is going on? Is it a triple witching?
It is a triple witch in there.
But look at the cube.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. $10 for Oakland. Incroyable. Yeah. We'll need to get up at 5 o'clock.
I do get up at 5 o'clock. Today, even a little bit before.
What time did you get up this morning?
Like at 4:50, something. It was a little bit before.
Wow. Can you go mute?
Yeah, that's looking good. We're back. So I'm gonna keep my Nvidia short. Um, where my stop is right now, I am not able to survive the level that is above. So that's not good. But what is good about it is like trade management. So because I add to that position again, like I doubled it, and like last time I doubled it and I took a big loss. This time I want to double it and keep a regular loss. So if it wants to work, I wanted to see it working right away. Pretty much like like it's just my opinion, but in my opinion, Nvidia shouldn't be going any higher. Yes, right now it's proving me right, but this is not the trade. Like this, in my head, this Nvidia have to come down below that moving average, below that 200 moving average, which will make my trade a very good trade. But right now it's holding it, and there is no reason why to hold in there. If you look at SPY tried to recuperate, but still haven't been able to make a higher high. Of course, today nothing may work as usual, so we have to watch out for that. And the reason for that is because today is a triple witching day. So we don't want to abuse that too much, you know. We don't want to. Yes, let's try to enjoy the volatility, but if you are wrong, don't stay on the way.
It's gonna get you, yeah.
Yeah.
Good point.
I know that the triple witching is in effect normally after 3, but traders like us, many people gonna be having that on mind, and they gonna behave like today is a triple witching day. So
Going to
So Marie is trading
be-
Oklo, so I think she say a dollar and what, and 50.
Oh, sheet. Okay. Yeah.
Do you remember when I mentioned Oklo? What was the time? The first time we had the video actually. It was $23 or 21, something like that. So of course, like I'm not saying that we knew anything. We didn't know. We didn't have any idea that this thing was going to go 5 times its price. So
Isn't that incredible? I remember we said we were going to trade that and possibly hold it. Oh, $2 on the money. I took it under pressure.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Jala jala.
Chala, chala. The tape isn't clear, but the range is 20 cents, 25. For Oakland, a range of 25 cents. 27 cents.
You're talking about the range or talking about the spread?
The spread, sorry. The spread.
Okay.
27 cents spread. Reprint 121 and there it is. Holy crap. Huh. No way, Jose. Huh. $0.30. Tesla got an upgrade this morning.
Nice.
Are you still in long term?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are doing quite good in there. It's been my vacation. If ever I remove it, like, I am holding that for longer actually.
I love it.
Una sola canción. Ay, papi.
That's an understatement.
You think so, huh? It's the part where you say I know so.
Mm-hmm. Yo sé que eso. Is that why, how you say?
Hmm?
Yo sé que eso.
What are we trying to say?
I know so.
No, you can just say just say. Like I know. You can say just say eso también, but like in this case, because it's maybe like a mood, or it's not something that concrete like that solid. So, but yeah, both of them are correct. This is gonna make noises a little bit. There we go.
That's funny.
So Nvidia got me out one more time. So like I agree that tape on Nvidia is looking strong.
So what are you trading?
I'll be there. Right now I have no trades, so I have a trade idea, but probably I'm not that comfortable with it. Now we are talking about. So this is not. Yeah, I have a like Nvidia. Like I am shorting Nvidia again.
Okay.
I will say, man, you are hard-headed. Like I am hard-headed, but it's not getting me by the penny. Because why? Now I am trying to get a. This is the level we're supposed to turn. But yeah, I get it there or I won't get it. Let's make it simple. I'm actually from running at 17 cents.
Oof.
So because I am running at 17 cents, I prefer to know. Is PLTR still popping up? Like I see your Oklo is pulling back.
Yeah.
I removed my order,
Okay.
I was front running it, so I switched my mind. I want to back running it.
Oh.
Yeah. Why? Because it's pumping up like crazy, and I see the seller at 78. You see it at 1,800. So yes, I am from running that seller, but I am back running the level I want.
Okay. Wow. So very technical price.
It should be okay.
Okay. Nice. I just took another partial.
Nice.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
So I'm quietly waiting for Nvidia,
Okay.
and I may take some hit there, but no, it shouldn't be a big deal. So let's just see and wait. Like it is the actual level it is rejecting it in like with 2 cents in front. So like what happened here? I
So,
decided
but you front runned it.
no, I back running it, and I did it on purpose because the stock is pumping up too much. So I'm saying it may go, but like, so I went with the big size instead. So like, what is the biggest size right now at 178? So I say there is a major level, 20 cents below. So I'm gonna go about in between them, like a little bit more of my favorite if ever I get it. But yeah,
This is a freaking huge trade.
Oklo. Nice, 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 nice. La 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 la.
Oh, Jimbo woke up.
Hey, it is what it is.
What?
And I just Vlad is asking me about like she's putting you know those wood things that she's putting like this thing. So she's saying like, oh, can I order what is in Amazon? I say yes, just order it. And then like she say, oh, but there are two. I like two of type. Which one? So this one is better because you have more surface. Like for example, this one is a little piece of the wall that is holding, and both of them you can put them like invisible.
Okay.
Like because
And
they
then-
go on.
oh,
on the,
if you flip them.
yeah, if you flip them, it's invisible. So
I
say
like that.
that one is better for sure.
More aesthetic.
Mm-hmm. And like for Ella, like this is for Ella. Like if you see, like at school they now required to have
Earpods?
earbuds. Yeah.
Incredible.
Let me actually select those earbuds. Might get pissed about that one.
Why?
Mute, so there we go. Pretty good.
Money talk.
$3.
Comes the money.
In Oklo. Oklo. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I'm not taking that trade.
I took another person.
Nice. Let me see if I find a bottle to put that to use.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Let's just get the USB splitter that is a little bit bigger because that one only had one. More. Okay. Add to the card. Why does a button cost $26 or 30 or like what the heck?
It's a little weird.
Yeah. It's too expensive, I guess.
Oh, the easy button.
Like, well, either button, but it's one button literally, and it's like $37, or like this one might work, but like. It's okay, I'm gonna get you one from somewhere else. I should have them on the back. But I'm not paying $37 for one button.
Yeah, but I want my button.
You're gonna get it, as I say.
You know, I'm
Right.
kidding. I don't think we need a button to trade, but it would be fun.
No, but for you, yeah, like, no, you're gonna get it. It's just like, not at that price.
What?
Yeah, it's okay.
No, dime.
It's good. Just like, there is not much to add to that. Oh my goodness, Nvidia. I am determined to not buy it at 177.80. Or it get me or it won't get me. As simple as that. No, like, look how easy it came back to that 177.80, and it print literally 1 cent above. So it was not 2 cents above. It was 177. No, 1 cent above. It only print. It made a higher high by 1 cent. Are you kidding me?
It doesn't even show up in my.
No, but like, yeah, when I go here, like,
Oh wow!
it's yeah, you see the line there?
So you wanted to go short from
It's
there?
dead on. Look at the line. It's right behind the blue line. That blue line, that's the level I see. That's the level I'm supposed to go short. But because the guy is at 80, at 180.
I've got 177.80. I haven't looked at Nvidia today, and 177.80 is really.
Yeah, 100, but then you have.
No, like it's just on the level that I had that previously.
Oh, you have it from previous.
Yeah, I didn't look at it at all today, and 177.80 is very strong for me. But I haven't looked at it today.
Yeah, so.
And it's 178 technically, that's a big level there. What I don't like is 179 and 179.50.
Yeah, it's just like. Like, that's a trade that should be taken with a lot of confidence at 177.80.
Okay?
But because of how I hurt myself before, I am not trying to. I'm not getting it. So I like. And of course, I have sizes in between. I have reasons to not go short right now.
Okay.
Like at the price it is right now. It's just like if I wouldn't be red, if I wouldn't mess it up before, I can take it just there and say, you know what, this can go crazy now. So, but like, yeah, like 2007 lot plus 267 lot. like right now, those buyers are not scared about that size. Like whatever is in there, this is not a rejection. This is not a test. This thing is playing like we're talking about Nvidia 80 there. Like there we go, print 81.
It should be 78, right?
Yeah, because of what is in there. So that's what I'm saying. Like they are not afraid
But
of
what
no,
I'm
those.
not liking is that we've got 178.50 that's starting to build. We've got now up to 179. I don't like that. And they didn't pick up 178 yet. But it would seem that for whatever reason, when they are selling, people are buying,
Yeah,
which is a little crazy, like you said.
that's what I refer to when I say the buyers are not afraid of the seller. Right there,
No.
like they are actually confronting it.
Mm-hmm.
I should be able to get it. It's gonna be okay. So yeah, you see it going higher. I don't see it going too far, you know.
In the 20 seconds that's left, it needs to,
To print 80 again.
yes. Correct. Did not. We've picked up the people that were latecomers.
Mhm.
Is it going to have enough momentum? Picking up the 70s. Not a whole lot to pick up left. But now we've got a lot of people really close to the 80. Yep, and here it comes. We got the big seller at 80. Enough to draw out the order there. What is it going there? Yeah, it's going to go to 178. What is it going to do from 178? Yeah, now we've got some people that could possibly go to 179.
Man, it went 177.83. My order is at 177.94. I know I will get it.
Yes, you will get it.
Yeah, like I
There
just
it
got
is.
it. There we go.
Mhm. You will get it.
And I'm expecting it to print the 80s. It's just it's the best combination. There is a level and there is a size. So major level, major size, extended.
Yeah. Look what's happening though at the 178.50 and 179. On the
I
tape.
see it like increasing sizes. Yeah, like
They're
the
building
200.
up and building up and building up. So they started by not even having 50, then 100. Now they're
But did
really
you notice?
popping.
Did you notice how the ask got pulled out in it?
I know.
That's normally a bullish thing, but
So it's printed 178. So we should be able to go to 178.20 on this push. We'll see. If we do not,
if we do not, we'll walk away. So I wanna see when it send it down where you're gonna go, like 78.08. What are those buyers? Are below or above?
Somebody wants to push it through. They had a big one that's coming. Okay.
Yeah, there is no buyers. There is no buyers holding. They are not playing ping pong with it.
Hmm.
There is a clear reaction that I expect to see at these prices, and I am not seeing it. And I'm watching the montage as it's pulling back.
30 seconds to reprint 178.
Yeah, 177.60 is buying.
We've got acceleration to the tape. Definitely lagging. Not by much, but it is lagging.
Who, the buyer?
Yep. The buyers are lagging.
Can we take a little break?
Hmm?
Can we take a little break?
Of course.
So let's take a little break. I have to stretch my legs. All right, we are back.
That seems to be long this morning.
Well, it's just slow. Like it's a slow, boring morning. Like I smoke myself so much that my brain is just wanting to escape. Like yes, I am paying it back probably now if I do take partials, but it's so annoying. Like I didn't expect the market to go that high today. And when you look at look at SPY, like
It
that.
didn't do lots.
That is my bias right there. Like I am going shorts on those names just because SPY is looking weak. And like Nvidia went all the way up to 178. Like yeah, so in my opinion it shouldn't be going higher, Nvidia, but like as I say from long ago, it's just like it doesn't want to let it go easy, you know. Like right now, the VWAP is flattening. Like, yes, we have the moving average looking interesting, but really, does that justify that you go that high? Small weird.
It is very weird.
Well, as we say, triple witching day. So
Is it a triple or is
it
it
is
a
a triple.
witching?
No, it is a triple witching. I can show it to you. I check the actual webpage. Like a triple witching. Like when is triple witching? Oops. So the triple witching dates for 2025 was March 21, June 20, September 19, so today, and December 19. So yeah, we are on a triple witching day, and it's not Halloween yet, you know. Let me text this guy to see if everything for that. So today, Dumbo's food arrived. Haha, nice.
That is super nice.
You're gonna be happy. I hope so.
Yeah. It should be. Simon SoFi short. Pop up once more and I'm going to be adding.
SoFi short.
I almost
Isn't
feel
SoFi
like
at all-time high today?
Correct.
I'm kidding, you know, it's just like
It is!
You going short this. I know it was. It's just like the fact that you are going short is like Maurice going short in SoFi.
Of
At
all the
all-time high.
trade.
the day that is an all-time high, you know, like that it went to all-time high.
I've got 2 R's.
Hey, I have to text Orlando, but I'm gonna be making it more simple, so I'm just gonna talk. I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit. All right, we're back. So
But I understood what you said. He's aware that it's doing well.
he's not aware.
Oh, he's not aware.
Yeah.
So
he-
that was it? When you said it? Hey, muy caliente, and that was it?
Yeah, that's not about the channel. That's about
Oh.
the just the game. But like, I'm gonna mute myself. Right, so Nvidia is printing good right now. I hope really go down. Like, it's no wishful thinking. It's just like, yeah, it wasn't holding that good. It's like, but of course, like the pop that happened here, I'm gonna put it on perspective because I am talking here and probably you don't know what I'm talking about. But right here, like let's say when we were pre-market here or just right before the open, like that dotted line here is the 5 minute moving average. So the dotted green line here is 5 minute moving average. So this 5 minute moving average was just like no holding at all. So Nvidia was behind that, like below, and it was holding below. So I say, you know what? With the SPY having rejection, like look at that clear rejection here, right at like right before 9:30. Then
Oh,
it opened
the
9:30 again, and like your yellow line. So it just didn't go above, and it's trending down after I say so. Nvidia, you shouldn't be going higher today. That's what I say on my head, but you know, it prove you wrong because that's the job of the market to humble you whenever you think you know something. So here I just jump on it and it trade above the moving average. I held my trade because I say I have good entries. And no, it was alone. So he smoked me here, and then I took it. Like this level is a major level,
Very strong.
but we were not there. Like we were not there. So why are you still shorting it when it's showing you that it's strong?
That has to go there. Yeah.
So yeah, so right now, like probably if I want to look smart, the best thing I can do probably is to take at least a partial in that green line here. Once it tests the moving average, take a partial, and if you are wrong, at least you made something on it. But if in like my subconscious and my annoying opinion is saying he's gonna go below that, but like yeah, let's watch out and let's see what it will do. Being triple witching day, like
Crazy.
yeah.
Yeah, because 176.80 is a big one too, right?
Yeah.
It's a big
Well,
level.
yeah, like It's
That's
funny,
historical.
I even have a line here for that. Like,
Yeah, me too.
like, yeah. Oh my goodness. If I am correct, it will go to 174.20, 174.30. If I am right.
You think enough momentum, eh?
Yes, I think the momentum is there, especially with all people that buy it there, like right before. Because my question,
With what?
with all the people that bought it there
Okay.
before, and like today we we're supposed to have gamma expansion or gamma retraction, will you say? And if you have either of those, what does the market maker do? Like because everybody bought ahead, like that for sure is taken into account too. Like so, it is something, but it might not be that big at the end of the day if it was front run it.
Okay, I like it.
Which one?
Um, so far. Tell me what you're doing, NVIDIA. Tell me what you're doing. 177. Where's that? Okay, it's right there. Okay. Yep. I think at 177 we're going to be exhausted. But I might be wrong.
You mean exhausted toward the upside?
Yep.
So it will keep tumbling?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Look at the bit and the ask now. How long that you don't see it like that, at least today?
Oof. Oof.
SPY have three major levels toward the downside. Have PCL, low of the day, and pre-market range right there. So
Let's go, NVIDIA. 176.90, so he even went even lower. Oh yeah, you're not gonna get filled, buddy. Always building, but I don't think you're gonna get filled, buddy.
which one? Is it 178?
170. No, it was 177. Now it's 176.90.
So he's chasing it toward the downside.
Correct. So now it's 176.90 and 177 has dropped half size.
You
See? He's not gonna get filled, buddy. Yeah, there's no history there. Nope.
What does the dog say?
Mm. Mm.
How? Supposed to be what did the fox say? But it's making fun of it. So do you think Nvidia is gonna go to 174? It's not 174 precise. It's a little bit above. Yeah, like that. It's 174 roughly. 174.38, 174.40.
No,
No, you don't think it's gonna get there.
no.
Ay, papi.
I would be looking at right now, whatever that's forming. It doesn't mean that it's true, but what's forming right now is a support level at 175.80, which is very close to the opening.
Okay, would you be willing to look at the SPY at around the PCL, which is previous day low and pre-market low?
And if we're looking, I'm breaking even.
All those
here,
purple
so-
lines at the bottom there.
Should I be curling my hair? Oh, the way you said it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
That was cute. You know, it's the purple line there. Okay.
I look for it, I guess.
Yeah, little. Okay, so. If we're looking at SPY, I've got SPY here. Okay, again. We seem to be forming a resistant support level there too. At the PCL. Do you see something different, David?
And what I see, like, I would like, and I think it may hold, SPY may hold that bottom. Just because of the
660?
convection of everything there. That's what you are seeing too?
660 is so strong. That level of support
So
that
we
they're
are aligned
forming.
on that thing. So
Okay.
basically that's what I see.
660
But like the problem,
is so strong.
the problem is that the 40 there,
Yeah.
like you are talking about the 63 lot, right? It's 63 lot plus another 40 lot right on top. I see 130 as well.
Oh,
130.
God, yeah.
That will be it.
So I've got at 660, let me give you my, so I've got 130. Twice. Oh no, minuto. Yeah, so there's 150 lot. Oh, now it's building. Okay, so now it's 200 lot at 660.
Okay.
That's pretty strong.
That's how I see it. It's just my question is, out of ignorance here. Like I mean, like I have no a clear definition of it. So I think it should hold that price, but because of the momentum that is everywhere, like isn't it putting pressure toward the downside right now? Like for example, you have Nvidia, SoFi, I think even Tesla, if I'm not mistaken, which have been one of the strongest stock lately. So yeah, Tesla, Nvidia, SoFi, PLTR.
Absolutely.
What do they have in common? That all of them pop up with very nice momentum toward the upside.
Correct.
So-
and now they're all about close to retesting a VWAP and now rejecting.
Yeah, and SPY. Did you see any of this momentum coming into SPY?
No.
So, and that's what I'm saying. If you have the indexes going down when the stocks are going higher and higher and higher, now that you have the stock turning back and the index is still coming back down, don't that add pressure for you to break through the bottom to the 660 in this case? And I'm not saying it is. I am asking. It's just like
It depends, because what I'm saying here is that yes, absolutely, what you're saying is completely true. It could add momentum so that it breaks the bottom. But what the issue is that PCL for SPY corresponds to most of the stocks opening. So where it was a level of support is there. So if I'm looking as an example, NVIDIA, the 175.80 to 176 corresponds to the 660 to the to SPY. So if NVIDIA pops from there, SPY can as well of the 660. Do you know what I mean?
I know what you mean, but I have a
SoFi
question
is
there.
the same. So SoFi is able to pull back, but when it's going to pull back, technically, it could pull back to 28. I don't think it's going to go to 28, but it could pull back to 28. But technically, 2860 should correspond to that PCL. And even now,
Allow me to follow in your logic there, like because
Okay.
there is something I am not getting there. So, like I am listening to you and I understood what you mean by the correlation and the level of support being like aligned, kind of. That's what you're saying. Like when all of them are getting there, there is pretty much where we are finding the bounce back up. Like
Could
and,
be.
and they are getting like together there. So, how does that make the level stronger? You know what I mean? Like when we have a SPY that just kind of fill up the gap, like basically a SPY, if you look during the pre-market here, we have a gap. So a SPY went about 80% of the gap and then turned back down. So right now we are here in the level of support, close to. Like we were already here. Like way earlier, we were already here. How the pop and the turning back to the all together, but in a SPY having a less intentions of going higher, how does that give a strength to your level? I'm not criticizing or I just want to understand what is the process in your head.
660?
Yeah, the 660, but combining it with all the PCLs from the rest of the thing that we are looking at. What I'm saying, like all the things went up and they show a strength. So, but SPY didn't show it. So, my concern with that is like, let's say, and we can look at RSP. And yeah, and RSP probably have the answer to my question. Equal weighted. That's way yeah. The RSP have the answer.
What does it tell you?
Yeah. So yeah. Let's say I don't have the answer. I don't know.
Okay.
The push that is happening is very local, and I don't know if your thing there is like yeah exactly. Look at how you have 4 big guy there, very green, and the rest very red. So if you have the average people in your population, like if you have, let's say I say 1, 2, 3, 4, if you have 60% of your population having a hard time and just 4 of them are carry on with the bad things that are happening to the other,
Well, for sure, the bad times should be a little
eminent.
Uh-huh. Because we've got Amazon that's green, Tesla's green, Google's green, Apple's green,
Oh, I see.
Oracle's green, PLTR's green, Nvidia's green, and MS.
I had a picture
Microsoft.
of how it's supposed to look in my head before I look at it,
And that was it.
and that was it. It's like you have a little square here that is green, like it's 4 square actually, and the rest is very red. So there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
there are more generica, or like how do you say that? It's in Spanish it's genericos, like
Yeah,
generic.
generical.
So like you have like generical items influencing everything that at some point it will catch up to these guys too. It's just like they are enjoying a privileged position because of Elon Musk buying a billion, because of Google running out of good from this monopolization thing that they were going through. So it's very local.
Look at the tape on SPY. I want you to look at the 660. And then I want you to look at the offers and the bids. What is present?
Yeah, like basically it's from 660 to 690 because at 690 we have three stacks of 685, 660, 85, 690, and 694. We have 300 lot.
So what does it look like at
Well,
660?
if I will be looking at it 6 months ago or maybe a year ago, I will say this is looking to bounce from 660 up to 694, 660, 94.
Okay.
And then we will see what happens. So it will be along from 660, in my opinion. You want to make it more complex because it's complex on my head. I don't have the answer. It's just
Okay,
like
go complex.
yeah.
Go
What I have learned
Hmm.
is that sometimes when you have a big bid like the one you have at 660, if the bid is big and the product is strong, you have a tendency to run away from it. Like let's say it's a heavy bid and it's kind of looking healthy toward the upside. It will try to not reach it because it's strong. So normally when that happens, the big bid start getting decreased because like it's not getting there for whatever reason, but it's just getting smaller and smaller. And
Okay.
normally that will indicate to us as day traders that there is less chances for us to get there. Is that correct? At some point?
It should. And
And
right
there is
now,
a parallel thing that I see toward that.
Okay.
And it's that if we are kind of trending down and that heavy bid is increasing in sizes, it's telling me that that bid will need to be stronger to hold, what implies that there is a more weakness into the product. So they are contradicting it, like those two theories. So
Wow. You are correct. It is, but that just illustrates
it's
a lot.
paradoxically, you know. It's like,
It illustrates a
What
lot
do you do
what
with that?
happens in your mind. So that is a beautiful demonstration of the power that pulls. Definitely in your mind.
Hi, Mali.
Oh no! Hey, wow. See, for me, what it tells me is you are correct. That 660 right now is very, very strong. So I agree with you. That possibly because of its strength.
But you know that I
and-
don't agree with any because they
No,
are
no,
against
no.
each other.
Exactly. Right now, though, it could very well be.
Ronaldo, who's Ronaldo? Ronaldo?
Right now.
Ah, right now. Ronaldo.
Right now, we are at the PCL. So the PCL is between that that level. So we should see what is going to happen there. So at 660.
Yeah.
So right
gonna be
now,
interesting.
it is at the PCL right now. So the PCL could actually create some momentum to pop back up to the 690. But you can see that that stack that we have, the 660.90,
Mm-hmm.
seems to be that, unless that we.
It's bouncing right from there. Right now it's bouncing. So,
Let me go see what Nvidia's doing. Where is it? See,
Oh,
it's
I-
very close to the one. So the 660 that we talked about earlier, the 660 corresponds to the 175.80. So for Nvidia. So we will see very, very shortly what that level is going to be doing to your trade. And the PCL, they look identical of Nvidia and Spire, which shows correlations. identical, fully correlated. Did you want to review your trades?
If I want to review my smokes, smokes trades, like right now I could be flat, but yeah, let's see. The SPY really bounced from there. So that was a nice theory that we are kind of discussing there, but like it's a learning process. I just don't know what it is. Is one or is the other? Which one of the two is it? Or it might sometimes be one and sometimes be the other. This is so weird. So yeah, okay. So coming back today, I only trade Nvidia and PLTR, Nvidia.
PLTR air.
Yeah, I say the Spanish, please.
See, it's a air.
So, what do you think that happened? Like, I went short here, took a loss.
That's PLTR?
Yeah, that's PLTR. Then I went. Why I don't have PLTR? Okay, so let's see. Short, add to the short, out. Short, add to the short. Ah, is that this is Nvidia and this is the one I have. Man, sorry. So PLTR, there we go. That's PLTR. So I went short in PLTR at around 180, 60, something like that. And it shaked me out, and then it didn't really move on my favor, but it's going up and down here like that. Probably gonna be a good short at some point, but right now it's holding good. So I'm not fighting with PLTR as I already have Nvidia, and I'm doing okay-ish on Nvidia right now. But like, yeah, for PLTR it was just regular trade, regular loss. 1 hour on PLTR lost. So for Nvidia, this is the one I was so convinced at the open that this thing needs to go down that what I did, I doubled. So this is in every trade I have taken in Nvidia, I took 2 times the risk minus this one. This one I took a regular risk. Like it was double the size, but it was half of the stop loss. So I short, add to the short, took a big loss. Short, add to the short, never partial here, took a loss. And that was the one that was a little bit smaller. And then here is the same size as I was using here, but just one shot and tighter stop loss. And yeah, that was it for Nvidia. Like I got a good short now, but I got smoked twice with no reason. Like I mean, those trades are considered mistakes in my opinion. And the reason for that is because here we are clearly trading strongly above the 200 moving average, and like this one, there is a major level there, and we wait for it. Like I say, well, after this loss, I say to Marie, "Are you gonna get it there, or I don't get it?" So I was very determined that I wanted to get the good price, so I got the good price, but I didn't have the same determination previously, so I paid the price for that. But yeah, definitely here, like tumbling down. I think it's gonna go to 174.40, which is right here, and I don't see why not. It's just what it is. So, but yeah, let's see.
174.40?
Yeah, 174.40 is my number. If you wanna bet on it, I will be able to bet on that one. That it will go to 174.40. No financial advice to anybody, just my opinion. So yeah, I think it's gonna go to 174.40, and that's it for me, and that's why I'm holding it.
We
but
can
like,
bet. There's no way.
as I say half an hour ago, if I will be that smart, I will be taking partial at this green line here. I didn't take partial. I'm holding everything, and as I say, I could be very flat and tenseful right there, but yeah, it's not the way I operate. I go full on with my ideas or not. So we're gonna work on that. Don't worry. That's not right. So what about you, Marie?
Oh, so it's up to me now. Okay.
Yeah, like yeah.
So I went, so I took 2 trades. I took 4 trades. So 2 of them were, two of them were pre-market. So I had INTC that I put in my order pre-market at 30. So I got it at 30. I took a partial and it was long. So I got it at 30 pre-market. I took a partial at 30.50. I added when it pulled back at 30.05.
So yeah, in the week then.
Yeah, and then I got out of my position at 29.75. So that was a INTC 3R loss. So I took as well, that was, if I'm not mistaken, it was two that I had it on the open that I placed it, and the other one, no, that one I chased the move because I had two. Is it SoFi? Yeah. So I took, it was SoFi.
It was SoFi?
SoFi, I never got the SoFi. And actually now I ran away from it. I let it go because my SoFi, I thought that I was able to get 28.50. So after that, it was going to pull back to 28.50. There was a big person there, a big order there. It never did. It left it, and now I'm short from 29. So I added on top of that to the, oh God, I thought it was a partial that I was taking. I actually added. So I've got a bigger position that I would like there, but I'm breaking even, so it is printed.
You're doing Davis mistakes.
Yeah, that one there is like, So QSI, I took a position at QSI. That was just way too big. So I wanted to get the 150. I got the 152.
And it has been barcoding since
Right.
the whole day, pretty much.
Yeah, so I got out of it. I really liked how it was behaving with the VWAP, but then, like you say, it was barcoding, so I got out of it, and then I got a lovely Oclo. So that was good. I was late, and I actually debated and said, should I chase the move? So I got in at 119, pulled back, added at 119, added at 119 a third time. Then I took a partial at 120.50, took another partial at 121.50. I added to the pullback at 120. I took another partial at 121. I took a double partial there. Then I took a partial 122.50, took a partial at 123, took a partial at 123.50. That was out of my, at 123.50 I was out of my, and that's a 22R
Freaking good trade.
trade. So
Very nice.
I am up right now, so that 10, 20, 13 hours.
13 hours, holy crap.
I'm up 13 hours, but I still have a trade open,
Pretty cool.
which is SoFi short, and I'm breaking even, so we'll see if it's able to pull back a little bit. Look at how SPY is reacting to that level. How's your NVIDIA reacting to
The
that
same
level?
way, like it's holding good toward the hop side, so
Did you see that 175.80? Did you see how it wicked it?
yeah.
It was exactly like we said, right? That it was going to happen.
But like, yeah. Probably, do you think we can expand like in our whiteboard later on that one? Like not today, but another day. But like because it's what what I'm saying. Sorry about that. What I'm
was
saying is
that?
like my thing, my like if it is paradoxically, but if this is correct, it's supposed to go lower. Like the reason why it's supposed to go lower, and that's why I ask you, like, how does the fact that we are holding the level make it stronger for now? And like what I'm saying here, like now that it's gonna have extra pressure from those guys that are doing very good there. They were doing very good, but now they won't be doing very good. So people that will be freaking out because now the stock is going down will add pressure to the level that we are having, and then when we have the big sizes ramping up their sizes, it is putting in evidence that yes, we are having more selling pressure. And when we are having more selling pressure, if we are just ramping up the sizes because we wanted to hold there, are we really gonna be able to hold the overall market there? The reality for that is say no. because
Okay.
they buy, but they are not the market. The market is the market.
Correct.
So it's like a drop of water in a big sea.
But now, what has 660?
She doesn't want to bet today because right now I have another bet that we can do.
Okay, 660 right now. What does that represent for SPY?
It just represents the low of before lunch, to me.
Okay, so now look at look at SPY and the 630 in the 30 minutes.
Okay, so just give me a second. SPY, I'm looking at the tape. The 30 minutes.
What does that represent? 660.
It's about the 200 moving average. But if you take it to volume, and this is the point here,
Well, not only volume. What else on the 30 minutes? What purple line that it's close to?
in the 30 minutes,
Never mind. Look at the. Okay, let's go now to the 60 minutes.
okay, wait for it. Because
Go
we have-
630 and 60, and what does 660 represent?
So in the 30, that thing is very far.
660.
In the 60, sorry, in the 30 it's right there.
So 660 is representing a strong level of support and resistance.
You wanna bet? I say SPY is gonna close today below yesterday low.
Which was that?
Yesterday low right now is 660.27. I just
Yeah,
say
well, I know. It's 660.
no 660.27.
Yeah, it's going to be 660.
Okay, so you don't want to bet on the lowering, like you
So
agree
right now,
pretty
the
much with it, right?
660 Yeah, 660
You say
is
SPY
still
is
strong.
going to close below 660 or above at 660.
Let's see. Yep, it's going to be above 660.
It says above. It's gonna be above.
660 or above.
Okay, I say it's gonna be below.
Okay. I like that.
Deal? Are we betting on that or not?
It's a bet.
It's a bet. Okay. Boom. There we go.
Okay, so we
So-
revised our trades.
Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good day, a good weekend, and yeah. This week I have 2 days that I did very poorly, so the day of today I have a lot of pressure for making profit because of that. But yeah,
I've got 5 days green.
Green. Yeah, you are freaking fantastic. So very nice.
Well, I won't
So-
say that, but I've got 5 days green.
Yes, good. Good. Green is green.
Green
So,
is
yeah.
green, right? Green
So-
is green.
Yeah, I hope everybody have a good one, and we will see you Monday. See you then.